Papa Blue Shirt here. I'm working on my worm tower. I had the bottom level of my worm tower here, and I'm gonna pull the dirt out and stick it in one of my other tubs. Let's see here, right here. This is a worm casting. I mean a worm egg that's just about ready to hatch. And so this has some eggs in it. And so we're going to stick it over here in this other bin, set it up, and we'll see what comes of it here. Alrighty. Well, there you have it. Emptied that all in there. There's a lot of egg cocoons in there, so we're gonna put a tag on this and we'll see how it turns out. I'll find a spot over here for it. Using a lot of my area here for storage, and as I'm growing, I'm cleaning out the storage. So, all right, and that's how we emptied out our worm bin. And like I said, there's a lot of cocoons in there. A lot of eggs in there. Did find a few worms, but not very many. They had all moved up. So we'll let these eggs hatch and we'll see what we got in a few weeks. Alrighty, it's Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.